Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace this thermostat heater for the Whirlpool dryer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a 1/4-inch nut driver, flat blade screwdriver, and a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new thermostat heater. The thermostat heater is mounted on the side of the blower wheel housing under the cycling thermostat. It's used for heating the cycling thermostat to a certain temperature. That allows users to choose the desired drying cycle. If your dryer dries all types of clothing with the same over-drying result, even on delicate, it's time to check and replace the thermostat heater if needed. To get to the part, we need to remove this rear access panel. We have a bunch of 1/4-inch screws, and I'm going to use a nut driver and we're going to take them out. And I'm going to support the panel and take out the last screw, and we're going to remove it. So this is the thermostat heater, and we are going to remove the two wires from the terminals. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver. We're going to pry them off. And now we can take out these two Phillips screws. And remove this thermostat and the heater. This is the old thermostat heater next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Okay, so we're going to install the new thermostat heater. I'm going to place the thermostat in the cutout. And I'm going to put the Phillips screw. And we're going to secure it to the housing with a screwdriver. Now we're going to connect the wires. It doesn't matter which one goes on which terminal. And next would be installing the rear cover panel. So I'm going to bring in the panel, place it over this vent. I'm going to match the holes on the top. I'm using a 1/4-inch nut driver. I'm going to install the top screw. And then I'm going to put the one on the sides. And we can place the rest of the screws. Plug the dryer in and check if it's drying properly. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.